National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor. Along a line
East of Montrose Harbor to 13 nautical miles east of Harrison Beaver Crib to near Indiana Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor and Hammond Marina. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern Illinois and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. This is a severe thunderstorm watch.